check it out, don't be late now, so say it loud, glitter wow. Say it loud, glitter wow. Glitterathon, it's on and on. One more time, I can't hear you. Say it loud. Glitterathon, glitterathon, it's on. Glitter wow. Say it loud, 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 glitterathon, it's on. Glitter wow. Glitterathon, glitter wow. Glitterathon, glitter wow. Glitterathon, glitter wow. Glitterathon, glitter wow. Glitterathon.
Young Nails Glitterathon is here! We're celebrating our 1-year anniversary of Glitterathon, and here's what we got for you. We're relaunching an old favorite, Love Bomb Glitter. Plus, we've got 2 new glitters launching, smiley face emoji and poop emoji glitter.
Wow.
Also, 50% off every single glitter in inventory. And we've got over 30 blowout deals.
Wow.
Glitterathon starts August 15th, 6 p.m. Pacific, and goes all the way to August 16th, 11:59 p.m. Do not miss this sale. It is one day only. See you at Glitterathon.